Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tuna kinilaw. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of very fresh sashimi-grade tuna. Also, prepare 1 cup of thinly sliced ginger, 1 large red onion, and 2 to 3 fresh chilies. A good quality vinegar, like cane or coconut vinegar, is absolutely key for achieving the authentic, tangy flavor of this dish. Now let's prepare the tuna. Carefully cut your fresh tuna into uniform bite-sized cubes, roughly 1/2 inch in size. Make sure to remove any skin or bones. After cutting, give the tuna a quick rinse under cold water, then drain it thoroughly. It is important to pat the tuna very dry with paper towels to ensure the vinegar can properly cook the fish. Next, it's time to mix everything together. In a large bowl, combine the prepared tuna cubes with your sliced ginger and red onion. Pour in about 1 cup of vinegar, ensuring the tuna is well coated. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Finally, add your chopped chilies and the juice from 2 to 3 calamansi limes for a bright, citrusy note. To finish, chill your kinilaw in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the vinegar to further tenderize the fish. Before serving, you can garnish it with fresh spring onions or a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes for added texture. Serve this vibrant and refreshing Filipino delicacy immediately as an appetizer or a light main course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.